Hey guys, Coach Smoot here. We are starting week 9, and week 9 goes from October 20th through October 24th. Now, for this week, we're going to mix it up a little bit. We're going to be doing what we call the amazing races. You guys are going to go around the park and participate in teams and do 20 different activities. Now, I've got the 20 activities right here. So let's go over them a little bit. But before we start to go over them, just remember that this week you get your 6 points for participation, your 4 points for dress, but you also have the ability to earn up to 10 points per day, an extra 10 points per day. So each day is worth 20 points. Now, endurance run. It's our first activity, endurance run. And some of these activities you guys are going to be participating as a group, as a team, and then some of them you're going to pick individuals on your team to complete them. The first activity is the endurance run. One person on your team will run the endurance run. Then he or she gets back, your team will run over to the next activity, which is 100 band squats. Your team will have to do 100 band squats together. After you complete that, then you'll run over to the next activity, which is find a flag. Your team, you're going to go around, and there's a certain area where we've got some flags, and you guys are to find a flag. After you find the flag, you'll run back to the next activity, which is 50 bicep curls. And 50 bicep curls, as a team, you just complete 50 bicep curls. Then you'll run over to the next station, which is the Riddler. And pretty self-explanatory. There's going to be, this is another team event, and you guys will have to figure out a few riddles that Coach Billbaum and I put together for you. After you figure those out, then your team will run over to the next station. One person on your team will do 25 push-ups. After that, you'll run to the next station. One person on your team will do 50 crunches. Then your team will run to the next station where we will do the wheelbarrow race. And the wheelbarrow race, if you don't know what that is, there is a video on how to do the wheelbarrow race online. So watch that video. And 2 people will be participating in that. Then you will run to the next station, and we've got some quiz questions for you to answer as a team. Then you'll run to the next station and do hurdle relay. Hurdle relay is another activity. If you don't know how to do it, then watch the video that I put online for you guys. Then after the hurdle relay, we've got a word search. That's a team activity where everybody on your team can help do the word search. Then head over to the frisbee throw. One person on your team is going to throw frisbees at a target, and as soon as that person hits 5 frisbees, then you can move on to the next station, which is 75 jumping jacks. After one person on your team does 75 jumping jacks, you'll move on to the next station, which is math problems. After the math problems, and the math problems are a team activity. After the math problems, 2 people can work together and do 75 jump ropes. After the jump rope, then one person will do the crab crawl. If you don't know what a crab crawl is, then you can watch the video that I put online for you guys. Then the next activity is bear crawl. After the bear crawl is another activity that you guys can watch. I put a video online for you guys. And then the next activity is a 30-second knee hold. So you have to just hold your knee up for 30 seconds. Pretty simple. Then you'll move on to football toss. And the football toss is also an activity that I put online. There's a video online if you don't know how to do a football toss. And the last activity is a relay run, where 4 people on your team will have to do a relay run. So some of these are, again, pretty self-explanatory. I think we all should know how to do, push-ups and crunches and jumping jacks and jump rope and stuff like that. I indicated, however, on a couple of these things that there are videos online for you guys to watch, because some of those activities you might never have done before. So watch the videos, be prepared in class. Again, you have the opportunity to earn 10 additional points next week in class. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me, and I'll see you guys out at the park. Monday, Wednesday, students, just a quick note, we will be at the on the soccer side. the same place that we've been the last week. So make sure that you guys understand that, and I will see everybody at the park for another great week of PE. Adios.